Blake with SwissWatchExpo here, and for those of you who ever thought to yourselves, man, I love this Planet Ocean, but it just doesn't have enough bling on it. Well, guess what? We got yourself a beautiful looking, massive colored, a massive looking Planet Ocean, fantastic diver with a factory diamond bezel. And don't worry, it's still a dive watch, fellas. Look at that rotation. You could still do that with this one no matter how many rocks are in this thing. Other than that, this is a very simple looking design. This one on a beautiful leather strap, because let's be honest, you're probably not going to do any heavy duty diving in this, but it's still just as capable as any other Planet Ocean, and it's got this beautiful simple design here. No orange accents like you'll see in most others, but let's be honest, that probably wouldn't play nice with the diamonds anyway. This is a really unique watch, and if you are looking to make your Omega collection incredibly unique and also just a lot more ostentatious, this is the watch for you. It's big, it's bold, and it's definitely going to grab some attention. And of course, it just looks beautiful. The diamonds actually go with this watch a lot better than I thought. And if you agree with me, get this on your wrist right now, because we got it at SwissWatchExpo.com.